See, most people think that hurts. That doesn't hurt. Well, my girls don't hurt me, but I don't know about the other chickens. I know I've heard stories where chickens can actually break skin, but I can put my fingers back in here and that does not hurt. Again, my chickens are a lot older, but they're super friendly. See, that doesn't hurt. As soon as I open up the gate, and I don't consider that pecking. See, I can go right up to them and pet them. As July escapes. July, I had to go somewhere. I was just doing a little video saying that you guys aren't mean. Well, they're not mean to me. They're mean to anything that tries to get into their coop. Like little mice and some baby birds, unfortunately, last season. But that was just a short little video showing that it doesn't hurt. See? Focus. No broken skin. Can you focus again? There you go. Hope everyone has a good day.